The Boathouse Zaka, located on the western edge of Lake Bled in Slovenia, serves as the headquarters for the Slovenian Environment Agency's research operations. Originally a modest 25.5 square meter timber structure, it stores vessels used for monitoring the water quality of the lake, a fragile ecosystem facing growing pressure from tourism and climate change. Designed by Rock Oman and Spela Videchnik of Ljubljana-based OFIS Architects, the building underwent a meticulous refurbishment rather than a complete rebuild. The original timber frame and cladding were dismantled, each piece inspected, repaired, and treated with traditional pine resin. This natural material preserves the wood, aligns with ecological standards, and reflects local craftsmanship traditions. The structure was then reassembled, preserving its proportions and vernacular alpine character. Instead of reinstalling the cladding uniformly, the architects rotated and offset the wooden planks at varying angles. This created a porous facade that filters light, air, and views, transforming the boathouse into a light filter that changes character throughout the day. Internally, cold cement tiles were replaced with wooden flooring, improving comfort and reinforcing harmony with the surrounding landscape. A distinctive later addition is the experimental rooftop filtration garden. Wooden trays filled with stone, gravel, sand, and soil, planted with native alpine flowers, filter pumped lake water through natural substrates. This installation functions both as a scientific experiment and an educational tool, demonstrating ecological water purification processes. Today, the Boathouse Zaka stands as a discreet yet innovative piece of architecture, rooted in tradition, responsive to environmental challenges, and designed to protect and interpret the landscape it inhabits.